Hello kid. Well, look at your feet. What do you see? Do you see similar feet or two different kinds? I'm sure you see only one type of feet, right? But if you look at our plant friends, they also have feet which are known as roots, but they have two different kind of feet. So let's know them. Come. So first of all, we have got the feet of the plants. What are they known as? They are known as roots. Let me tell you a story about Mowgli, who was a small little kid just like you, and he used to live in the forest. So who were his best friends? Well, the plants, and this is Banny, Mowgli's best friend. Now Banny was a huge banyan tree, and Mowgli loved to play with Banny. One day, it was the time of a storm, and Mowgli could barely walk. The wind was gushing to and fro, and so he thought of taking help of Banny. He climbed up Banny and felt safe. But he was very sure that Banny didn't move from his place. How is that possible? Well, Mowgli asked Banny as well. How is that the winds are so strong, but you're standing at one place? I could barely even walk. So how come you stand in your place? Hearing that, Banny told Mowgli the secret. Do you know what? He said Mowgli had feet just like you and me, whereas Banny was a tree. He had roots which were underneath and helped Banny to stand. So, just like we have feet which help us to stand, walk, run, dance or play around, similarly, the plants have got roots which help them to stand just like us and give them support as well. Now, human beings have only one type of feet, whereas the feet of the plants are of two types. See, so this is one type and this is type 2. So these are the two types of roots. Let's see what are they called. Well, the first type of root is known as tap root. What is it known as? It is known as the tap root. Now, in the tap root, there is a main structure to which the other small roots are attached. So, there is a leader and others follow it. So, this is the type of tap root. Now, have a look at this dance performance. Over here, we see there are many dancers, but there is one main dancer, right? She is the main dancer and others are following her. So, she is the leader and others are followers. In the same way, in the tap root as well, there is one main leader or main portion and others follow it. So, this is the type of tap root. Now comes the second type of root. What is it known as? It is known as fibrous root. If you see over here, there is no leader. All of them are equal and important. Just like this dance performance, over here none of them is the leader or main dancer. Everyone is equal, right? Similarly, in the fibrous root as well, all the roots are similar and equal. There is no leader. Now, let's see some of the examples. Well, the examples of tap root are the carrot and beetroot. See, over here the roots have a leader and others are followers. See, the leader and the followers. Similarly, in the fibrous root, we have some examples like the wheat and the rice. See, all of them are equal and important. So, my dear kid, Now you know that our plant friends are very lucky. They have two different types of feet, that is the taproot and the fibrous root.